Well, Nunbelievable is an unbelievable company that's all about paying it forward, but doing it in a very tasty way. Take a look.
Where's the milk at? Where's the warm milk at? Delicious.
The only thing better than an amazing cookie is an amazing cookie that allows you to give back. Nunbelievable is a better-for-you baked goods company on a mission. Co-founders Brian Janesco and Kuda Biza were inspired by Tony Robbins' story of helping a group of nuns who devoted their lives to serving those in need.
We test launched this in Las Vegas on stage with Tony Robbins, and we pre-sold $100,000 worth of cookies. This is before we produced anything, right? Yes. And that, for us, was a sign that this business had merit.
Nunbelievable has a one-for-one business model, meaning when you buy one bag of cookies, one meal is donated to someone in need. It's a model made popular by companies like Tom's Shoes and Warby Parker Eyeglasses.
We're providing the entire meal program for today based on all the cookies that we sold in the last week. So it's a real simple model. So we're not giving someone a cookie as a meal. We want to be a little bit more healthy and health conscious about that. So our one-for-one giving model is one cookie equals one meal that we donate through one of our partner soup kitchens.
We wanted to make sure that we created a cookie that's not only delicious, but it's also making a delicious difference in people's lives. So when someone is having a cookie, someone else is having a meal that's provided to them, like here today with City Relief, where people are getting some meals in order for them to eat.
Nunbelievable cookies are cookies with a cause, and when you purchase them, you've got options. There are keto-friendly versions, there's 100-calorie snack packs, and there are artisanal versions. So eat up and give back.
More than 42 million Americans struggle every day with food insecurity.
I grew up in Zimbabwe, and while I was living in Zimbabwe, there was a time where we got struck by drought. So I got to experience firsthand what it's like not to have a meal when you go out, throughout your day or when you go to bed. So we wanted to create a business that enables other people not to experience what I experienced as well.
Nunbelievable has partnered with City Relief to not only add their sweet treat to a meal, but also to give away a meal.
We love giving out special things. Making people smile is part of our modus operandi. But they also provide funding through the cookies that they sell so that we can buy the meals and the ingredients and the supplies that we need to provide over 1,000 people a week with a healthy meal and connections to services.
Rashawn Mason is living proof that Nunbelievable is making a real impact. He was helped by the organization when he was homeless. Now he's got a job and is giving back too.
Nunbelievable support is critical to providing meals to those in need. I think I'm a product of the services that companies like Nunbelievable, who provides meals to the homeless. I just got a new job as a consultant. I'm pretty excited to be back into the workforce.
A lot of customers are looking for purpose-driven brands, and they're actually willing to pay even a slight, higher price, especially when they know that their dollar is going to be going to something that makes a difference.
Who doesn't love a good cookie?
Especially one that gives back.
So, Rosanna, I covered the Met Gala on Monday. I love glitz and glam, but you know what? Just as much as that, I love doing stories like this to tell people about companies they might not know about, like Nunbelievable. These cookies are excellent and keto-friendly. So
Keto-friendly?
Yes, I'm going to make you taste one because I know you're always watching your girlish figure.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes, 1 gram of net carbs. The only other thing that has 1 gram of net carbs is air, and maybe that's it. So, you tell me what you think. Double chocolate chip. Right?
Yeah.
They're good. And you go on their website.
Thank you.
Yeah. No, honestly, you can have that.
Okay.
And 1,000% you can have that. But look, we've got pecan sandies. I know what you're thinking. Is it pecan or pecan? My mother was from Mississippi. It's pecan.
And I'm from Brooklyn, pecan.
Oh, let's call the whole thing off. Okay. And snickerdoodle and chocolate chip, there's oatmeal raisin, whatever you like, they've got you covered, and you're doing something good.
And it's guilt-free?
1,000%.
Okay. Crystal,
yes.
thank you for putting this
You're
on
welcome.
our radar.